Welcome back to the channel. I'm tired because I'm walking, but I'm not too worried because I know somewhere soon in the near future God is going to bless me with a car, so I'm not worried. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to go hit that subscribe button. Join the awesomeness squad. Definitely. Maybe run with the one there. Awesomeness squad. Yeah. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about that name for you guys. Awesomeness squad. Me no one. White shoes. I'm if I try take my time. But I'm at the dirty up like literally. Yo. Listen, make sure you subscribe if you haven't hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, big up your damn self. Yeah, so today's Saturday and I'm actually heading to Kingston. I did not expect this, but I'm gonna meet my dada and we're gonna go to Kingston. So that's what you're gonna get in the vlog today. Yeah, so when we're reaching on my personal ride, me come back. No makeup from the other day, no makeup type of vibe. Yeah, your girl don't need makeup, so that's what's happening. Soon come back. All right guys, soon forward back. So I might be looking extremely sweaty right now, and as usual I walk as always, so I'm tired. Oh no, that go. So guys, I'm currently in Kingston and while I'm ear blow up. While I'm ear blow up. Wait, what daddy say? No, me have to vlog. So I'm at the drive-through machine. Like if no one knows say, yeah, what you need one drive-through machine. I used the machine before. Like you people must be saying like, yo, oh Tash can't go machine. So it's because Tash don't draw money in advance. Me only draw money when me literally need the money for you same time. So yeah, that's what's going on, that's what's happening. So definitely I'm gonna draw the money at the machine and then I'm gonna wait for somebody. Yeah. So the breeze just mess up my world curl pattern. Like the breeze blow everything just like get dry all the time, so forth. Yeah, it's my birthday Wednesday. I'm rocking this bag. It's my outfit for today. We should have my PLS, yeah. I'm so happy to be outside, like outside taking pictures and so forth. Like I'm really snapping, taking a lot of pictures because I'm happy to be outside, to be honest. Yeah. I'm chilling with the fam, daddy, and my brother. Peeps, I am heading home from Kingston. I just went and collected a lot of packages, you know. So yep, and we're on the highway heading back to Kingston right now. So that's not really so much for there, but that's the view from inside.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect.
So guys, I got home and I just did a video on the shipping company that I told you guys I was going to tell you guys about. So make sure to check out that video whenever it drops. Drops. Well, I eat some drops right now. Make sure to check out that video when it is up. Make sure to leave a comment, you know. Make sure you go and support that company on that video because I want to go watch the video. So I got two telling about it in this video. Yeah, so I got home probably 4 or 5 hours ago, long time ago. Got fresh, came and do this video. I have my packages right here, and I think I have some out there. I'm gonna open them right now because I'm excited. I might over this and start cleaning it. So yeah, I'm excited about this, and I'm about to have a chill night, so I'll see you guys in another clip when something else are going. So guys, I got this frame right here. It's glass to replace the ugly Jesus thing that was right here. But guess what? It can't go. It can't go up. Razor beam. This little something here, it can't hold it. The glass too heavy. It's too heavy to hold this frame. So I'm so pissed right now because I'm trying to get my kitchen together in good piece, good shape, in order for it to match the table, you know. Yes, scissors on the plate and so forth because things still really not together. But literally, I'm so pissed that it can't go. So I guess it just gonna stay on the table for right now. Yeah, I have so many things like I really want to get to complete the table decor or whatever, but at least you guys are seeing whatever is going on in the house. So yeah. In the meantime, they put out chicken to soak. Like I told you alone, so you know all the chefings go. They're gonna cut this half a chicken, that half and put back the next piece in the fridge. And this half when I put, I go serve for like literally me and him for Sunday and take a leave over for Sunday, Monday. You know them thing there? Sunday, Monday, the best part of the Sunday dinner. Yeah, and it's not even prepared on the day when it tastes the best. So yeah. And guys, I have a surprise for you guys. Like, look, a backstory towards this is that I think I won in the glass about, yes, the surprise is that I got glasses. So I think I needed glass for years now, especially when I used to drive a lot. The car used to bother my eyes in the night, and I used to, like, you know, when I remember at one point in time I was in like classes where I was in like the theater at school, and I used to have issues staying at the back. No, not staying at the back. Like I used to have issues. Yeah, I used to have issues when I sit around the back of the theater, and then I could not see nothing that was presented on the screen in the theater. So theater, yeah. So I at one point in time I went away and I was like, they have some glass in Walmart, and I read the information, and you know they say it could work with whatever. I got it. I never told last long night. I don't know where they're right now. But then the other day I was like, you know, I think I needed glasses, and I hit up a girl on Instagram. She has a YouTube channel. Make sure to go check out Danielle Eve channel. And she has a company where they do, I think it's Skylar's, I don't remember what's the name of that high company that she has. And I hit her up and I was like, you know, I think I need glasses, but I want to try the fashion one. And I say, you know, that don't make sense. Might as well I just deal with me, I have to go deal with or whatever. So your girl got it yesterday. Let me put it on and come back. So this is what is happening over here. Like literally my favorite clown. I'm kind of bumpy in the middle of my face. But anyways, my literally favorite clown. Let me know how you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about being in class. Like, I'm speechless. Honestly, I'm speechless. Like, I don't know if it fit me or whatever, but yeah. I'm not sure how often I'm going to be in this. Like, I'm in the house, I'm not going to be in this much because I don't know much things I really need this. So at least this processor, this clean and this word part of life cannot through the door. Start out and yeah. So I sit down right now and I'm just here to end out this very short vlog that is so short, so short. But before I end out the vlog, I want to do a post notification shout out. So I'm going to shout out to Denise and Romaine. That's yeah, shout out to you, baby girl. Appreciate you. Enough love over here. Big up yourself. Yeah, love it, love the love, love the support, love everything. I see you people always commenting, who always are comment, always, you know, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect. Till the next vlog. Hopefully it's not so short. My phone died, right? So because my phone died, I was not able to capture so many things yesterday when I went to Kingston, and I did not take my charger with me. So that's the reason why this vlog is so short and you guys did not get a lot of content in the city. So I'll be going back to Kingston real soon, real soon. So you guys, I'll definitely charge my phone, take my charger just in case anything. And yeah, and like literally the vlog there where like the comment in it like the comments aren't that much, but you're only know watch football. That's all much, you know, football. The piece of paint and rip off. You see it because the person who paint the house is that they not scratch off the wall. The old paint underneath it. But anyways, I'm not messing about. So the comment section for marriage before sex, yo, the comment section there, it comment they know what he but eat it bad. He eat it bad. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check it out. Leave a comment because I'm so interested to know everybody's view. Like oh my god. Ugh. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. Yeah, so yo, the video there, eat it bad. So until another vlog or whatever, vlog, video, anything, big up yourself. Enough love. Bye.